Hello everyone, my name is Matheus. I'm a student of Florida International University, FIU, and I'm gonna be in this video explaining how SQL injection kind of work. So first of all, what is SQL? SQL is a structured query language. It's used to communicate mainly to the database. So most of the web developers use them so we can access data in our websites and get our information from a database. So here's an example how we insert. So we insert into the table called movies. We're going to insert the values Lord of the Rings and the year 2003. And we can also select, so we can select from movies, we can select of the movie names and so on. So one problem that this can cause is called SQL injection. We can inject some kind of code in there and then we can retrieve some data that we're not supposed to. So for example, in here we are selecting only the movie names from the table movies, but with some kind of SQL injection, we inject some SQL code. In some place we can get another kind of data that we're not supposed to. So if you don't expect the user to enter this, we might have a problem. So I'm gonna go to this website. I already know that this website has a vulnerability, so I already have an account. I'm gonna log in so you guys can see it. So my username is Matheus and my password is Matheus13. I'm gonna just cut and paste in here so you guys can see that I can log in, and there you go, Matheus Bar, which is my name. I already created an account, but right now I'm gonna log out and then I'm gonna try to log in, but instead of using my credentials I'm gonna use SQL injection. So I already have the code in here, so I'm basically gonna say codes and then space or codes 1 or equals to 1. So what does that mean? Is that whatever I put in here before or 1 is equal 1. In other words, this thing is always true, so we're gonna get the data always because it has to be true. So I'm gonna get the same code and put in here, and then I'm gonna log in, and then you see I have a successful login, and that's the name that is the account in the database. So you guys can test like multiple ways to inject code in here. It's pretty basic. If the developer, if the programmer doesn't handle this kind of situation, you guys can see that this is a problem. For example, you can put it A equals to A, and then it's always going to be true both situations. So I still gonna have I still can log in. If I put something else, 1 is equal to 2, for example, is not going to be true. So I won't be able, because this match is not true, so 1 is not equal to 2. Anyways, one way to handle this kind of situation is to check for the user input. Of course, we're not supposed to have a username like this. We're not supposed to have equals or the quotation mark or spaces. We're not supposed to have those. So in the front end, we are supposed to handle those kind of situations if we don't want to get in trouble with this. We can use stored procedures, because the stored procedures, they only accept, for example, integers, or they only accept a string and so on. So this is gonna handle this are kind of functions in SQL, and other ways. If you guys have any questions, please put in the comments, and thank you.